Have you ever wondered why selenium is called an antioxidant powerhouse? Selenium is a critical trace mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining our overall health, and its antioxidant properties make it a true powerhouse. From protecting our cells from damage to supporting our immune system, selenium is an essential nutrient that we can't afford to ignore. Selenium deficiency is a widespread issue in many diets, and it's a problem that affects millions of people around the world. The scary thing is that most people don't even realize they're deficient in selenium, and it's only when they start experiencing symptoms like fatigue, joint pain, and weakened immunity that they start to take notice. But by then, the damage may already be done. Chronic selenium deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and thyroid problems, making it a deficiency that we need to take seriously. The fact is, many of us are simply not getting enough selenium from our diets. Soil depletion, poor farming practices, and a diet that's high in processed foods are all contributing factors to selenium deficiency. And if we're not careful, we could be setting ourselves up for a lifetime of health problems. The reality is that selenium deficiency is a silent epidemic that's affecting people from all walks of life, and it's essential that we take action to address it. Selenium deficiency is a problem that affects not just our health, but also our quality of life. When we're deficient in selenium, we may experience symptoms like brain fog, mood swings, and muscle weakness, making it difficult to enjoy the things we love. We may feel tired, sluggish, and unmotivated, and it's hard to perform at our best when our bodies are crying out for this essential nutrient. So how does selenium work its magic as an antioxidant? Simply put, selenium helps to neutralize free radicals in our bodies, which are unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and damage to our cells. When we're deficient in selenium, our bodies are more susceptible to oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic inflammation and a host of health problems. But when we have adequate levels of selenium, our bodies are better equipped to fight off free radicals and maintain optimal health. One of the richest sources of selenium is Brazil nuts, with just a handful providing us with our daily recommended intake. Seafood like tuna, mussels, and crab are also high in selenium, as are grains like brown rice and quinoa. And it's not just about the food we eat. Our bodies can also produce selenium in the form of selenoproteins, which are powerful antioxidants that help to protect our cells from damage. The science behind selenium's protective effects is fascinating. Studies have shown that selenium is able to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in our bodies, which can help to prevent chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. It's also been shown to improve cognitive function, boost our immune system, and even support thyroid health. One compelling study that showcases selenium's effectiveness is a 2016 study published in the Journal of Nutrition. The study found that selenium supplementation reduced oxidative stress and improved cardiovascular health in patients with chronic kidney disease. What's more, the study found that selenium supplementation also reduced inflammation and improved immune function in these patients, demonstrating the powerful antioxidant benefits of this essential nutrient. In another study, researchers found that selenium supplementation improved cognitive function and reduced the risk of dementia in older adults. The study, which was published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, found that selenium supplementation improved memory, attention, and processing speed in older adults, demonstrating the potential of selenium to support brain health. There are countless studies that demonstrate the antioxidant benefits of selenium, and it's clear that this essential nutrient is a game changer when it comes to our health. In summary, selenium is an antioxidant powerhouse that plays a critical role in maintaining our overall health. From protecting our cells from damage to supporting our immune system, selenium is an essential nutrient that we can't afford to ignore. So make sure to get your daily dose of selenium from foods like Brazil nuts, seafood, and grains, and consider supplementation if you're not getting enough from your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite sources of selenium. And if you want to learn more about the importance of antioxidants in our diet, be sure to check out our video on the top antioxidant-rich foods you should be eating.